This is Mom's dream castle. Here it is, you guys. Look at that.
Are you calling me an elephant?
Oh, no, not you.
Good morning, guys. So today we are headed to Leeds Castle, which is the loveliest castle. Now the outside is pretty old, but the inside has been renovated a little bit, so it's a little bit newer. I'm not exactly sure how old, but this castle is in a trust to be kept up, so it's not ran by the state. And it is already pretty. The grounds are beautiful. Let me show you the castle though.
There's a wedding going on.
Yes, and down there they are actually filming a wedding for a movie. Ty, what do you think of this castle so far? He's like, yeah, sure, whatever.
I like this. This is about the right size for a castle.
It's really
Right,
pretty.
I could
this
do
is
this
the
one.
castle I would pick.
Because there's no, like, there's nothing else around it. It's just like
Yeah, it
land.
has the country,
It's
which
pretty.
is dreamy.
Yeah. Wait, you're talking British today?
It's dreamy.
I think we're all talking a bit British.
Yeah,
I think
we're
picking up the
adapting really
accents.
well. This is going good, but this is beautiful. This would totally be my castle.
This is Mom's dream castle.
This is my
the
dream
lovely
castle. This is lovely. Don't you think it's lovely?
Yes, my hat is gonna fly off at any second.
So this is the Queen's bed that she did not apparently sleep in. It was used to impress people that would come to visit her while she sat in their chair in her royal regala. Yes, never sleep in the bed. Just use it as
I would sleep in
impression.
the bed. That's a giant
Yeah,
comfy bed.
instead they sleep on the floor. Really? Come on. Use the bed,
Crazy.
right?
Yeah.
I don't know why you wouldn't sleep in the bed, but they didn't. See what the Queen's bathroom looks like. I don't know. It does have their wall hangings, which is, I guess, travelable. They can
It's
travel
so
with
weird.
them.
Like, I feel like it should be curtains.
That's where they can bathe in their barrel.
What?
And that's the bathroom. I don't see any plumbing toilets, so.
The toilets are the buckets. Yeah.
No, that's to carry your hot water for your bath. Okay, so this is King Henry, who had 3 children. Queen Mary, who was Catholic, and then the other 2, Queen Elizabeth and King Edward, who were Protestant. Now, King Edward became into throne first, but he died at 15, so Queen Mary became the new queen, and she was Catholic, and she wanted everybody to be Catholic again because they had reverted to Protestant when King Edward was king. So there was a lot of things going on, and she is actually known as Bloody Mary. That's Bloody Mary, Queen Mary, because she was trying to force everybody back into Catholicism.
No, it's got something that is loud.
Yeah, so it's not quite right, is it? Okay, so we might have to see. What about the next one?
Because certainly that was her dressing.
Okay, so we are at the next stop. This is pretty cool here because this cliffside is actually made of chalk, but it's very kind of dangerous because the chalk can break easily. It's very fragile soil. So it's white, obviously, because it's chalk. But the view is incredible. We're at a location where Britain and France fought in the air, and the battle went on for 3 months. But look at this view. We can actually see the ocean and a town and the chalk cliff sides. It's so pretty.
We'll come down over here and see more chalk.
It's so pretty. The water is so blue, you guys. I love this. Except there is a steep edge drop off right there, and you could see that's the chalk right there. There's chalk all alongside that mountainside that we can't really see. You can see it on this other side that I'll show you. Pretty cool. Here it is, you guys. Look at that. That's so pretty. That's all the chalk. And if you step on it, it will just flake off. So you gotta be careful.
You can't see it because of the
Don't use chalk on chalkboards anymore, do we? But when you did, that was the place to get it.
Chalk?
Chalk.
Alright guys, we're in a new church castle. And look at those lights. Those are really cool. So we are off the bus again, and it is around lunchtime now, and I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm ready for lunch. But we are visiting here at this church first, and they have like a crypt.
Now I'm starving, and all I can think about is food.
All I can think about is crepes, because we passed crepes on the way, and they smelled so good.
Have in France.
I know, but they smelled so good.
Audrey won't let you have crepes here.
Ooh, it's so pretty. And there's construction. Alright, we have to turn off the cameras now because we're going to go down inside the crypt. We left the church and it looks like some people are acting. Yeah, they're doing some acting right there. This is the entrance to that church. The crypt was actually like a burial ground for some people. I still kind of missed like the background, but I know it's like a burial for some people. But now we're gonna go get lunch because we're really hungry. We finished lunch!
Okay, so now we're just heading back to the bus. Look at the streets behind us. All full of people. Everybody's happy. You happy, Jordan?
Yeah, this is exactly what I pictured London like. I pictured it more like this with the buildings, like more kind of like old school and just like castle-y and really pretty and everything. And where we're staying at in London, well, where London actually is, it reminds me a lot of New York. So this is really cool to be in here because it's how I pictured London to be.
What she was trying to say in about 5 sentences is this is more old school. This is more what she's expecting. Let's see. There's Mom and Tai and Audrey. And somewhere back there are the grandparents as well. So we got to somehow find the bus and get on and get out of here.
That's the crepes I was talking about that we passed before. It smelled so good.
So we must be on the right track if Jordan saw the crepes truck. All right, let's go. Let's run.
All right, guys, so we got off the bus again and now we are at the University of Greenwich and it's pretty cool. It looks just like a castle. Again, every building here looks so pretty. And there's also a music festival going on.
They're getting ready for it.
Yeah, they're starting to set up the music festival. So that's really fun, but we're gonna go inside the university. Okay guys, so this is the last activity of the evening and we are headed on a boat tour. It's very windy as you can see here. We have the boat here behind us. Smile, Mom! We've got the boat behind us. Wow! And we're about to board. This is gonna be fun. Okay, we're trying to board on the boat and Mom and I are gonna fall over because it's so rocky. Okay, here we go. Woo! And we're on. Audrey, are you so excited? So excited. So excited. Ooh. This is kind of cool. It's got like all these seats. Plus, it has a snack bar. What? You can get snacks on this boat?
Snakes.
Oh, you can get snakes. Alright, we're gonna find our seats. Okay guys, we're on and it's moving. Woo! This is so fun. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep though because I fall asleep every time. We're on a boat. Okay, look. Every time we go on like a boat tour or something, I always fall asleep because the rocking just puts me to sleep. I don't know why. It makes some people seasick. Makes me fall asleep. I guess that's a good thing. But I feel like from being here in the UK, like in London, I feel like I've kind of picked up some sort of accent. I'm not doing it right now, but randomly I like say some weird like British like words or like I speak with an accent. It's so weird, probably because we're around British accents like 24/7.
She does burst into
I do randomly like start doing an accent. It's just weird. I don't know.
You're the loudest person on the boat right now.
I know I'm the loudest. Alright, so we're off the boat now and I may or may not have fallen asleep. Just saying, it rocked me to sleep. I may or may not have fallen asleep. So, we are at dinner now.
And I'm just gonna get dessert because I'm not even hungry.
Yeah, we had a really big lunch. We're at the Rainforest Cafe right now. So we're staring at some elephants in front of us. I'm gonna get mac and cheese because I'm not really that hungry, but I just want something to eat before bed. And it's gonna be a fun time. Let me show you the elephants that are right in front of me.
Are you calling me an elephant?
Oh, no, not you. The elephant's behind you. It's so cool.
Are they gonna come alive? Start roaring?
Maybe, I don't know.
There's a noisy parrot.
There's a noisy parrot. Yeah, there's a bird up there that keeps making noise.
It's nice. All right, we'll see.
Yep.
Comment down below if you've ever eaten at the Rainforest Cafe anywhere in the world.
Oh, Ty, what did we get? Ty and I are splitting this. It's noodles with
I got one.
yummy waffle noodles. Jake got his mac and cheese. Audrey got her ice cream dessert. Jordan, mac and cheese. Dad,
Nachos.
yummy, and we don't know what grandparents got.
Nachos and soup.
And we got fancy water.
Yummy.
Very fancy water.
In a bottle.
Yes.
Alright, enjoy.
I can cook chicken with chopsticks.
Yeah, you can. Good job.
Actually.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn it from red to gray, and
Hit the bell.
make today an adventure. We'll see y'all next time. Bye!